I played my roommate's own snoring back to her every time she tried to nap. See, I work on a cruise ship, living in tight quarters with bunk beds. My roommate snores like a chainsaw. Seriously, I could hear her over the ship's anchor dropping. The worst part? She'd choke in her sleep. I thought she was having a medical emergency the first time. When I begged for a solution, she brushed me off. I sleep fine, she said. After one brutal day, up at 9 a.m., done at 11 p.m., needing to be up at 6 a.m., her snoring gave me just 2 hours of sleep. That's when I snapped. I recorded her. Next time she said she'd nap, I hit play. She shot up, stared at me like I was insane. Turn it off, she demanded. I just said, this is you. And you said it's not a big deal. For 3 days, whenever she tried to rest, her own snoring serenaded her. She complained to our manager, who actually told her she was being difficult by ignoring my sleep needs. We both got new roommates. So, who really won this battle of the bunks?